In Provo, Utah, the steady click of switches and whirl of gears has become the sound of success for one man. Mark Jensen, CEO of Altus Pools, has spent the past 2 years creating his own company and inventing a new machine.
Been working on producing a full-size 6-foot by 6-foot wall, which is what you saw. 96 horn gears, 160 switches, and we built all of that, put it all together, built the control systems, all the wiring, built a mandrel system to control how we feed that motor, how we feed that mandrel through there. Because now instead of just spooling it up with a simple ratcheting device, we actually have to braid that onto a mandrel so we can take it and cure it.
The machine braids fibers in a sheath to create the core composite that makes up the lattice pole structure called isotruss that Mark Jensen hopes to produce.
Right now we just stick with the simple squares, but as soon as we get this finished up, sort of all finished off, we're going to start working on a much bigger machine that can do more circular type structures as well.
Isotruss is a three-dimensional lattice pole structure invented by Mark Jensen's father, David Jensen, when he first began teaching at Brigham Young University over a decade ago.
Obviously, it sort of runs in the family, with my dad inventing the structure, and really never, ever since I was in second grade, the structure's been around, so, why isn't it everywhere when it should be? And so it's really just come down to manufacturing, and someone needed to figure that out.
Mark Jensen hopes through the development of his invention and the mass production of isotruss, he can restore the faith Utah once had in his father's invention.
I almost have to prove to these people that, it really does work, and, at one point they had enough faith in it thinking that it would work, and then they sort of lost that because they tried once or tried twice and it failed. Sometimes it just takes a little bit more effort than that.